Two and 2 0. 20. Next one. 2. Legs 11. 8. 14.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. I know. 1 and 7. I'll sort it out. 7. 7.
17.
Yeah. 6. Keep going. I'm timing you. 10.
19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
15. We're nearly there. 15. 4.
1, 2, 1, 3, 20.
12.
1, 8.
1 and 8.
18.
Yeah, that's it. 7. Good lad. Next one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All clear. Good lad for checking.
7. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20, 0, 25, 5, 35, 55.
Yep.
40,
Yep.
45.
Yep.
15, 14. 4, 5, 2,
1 and 2. Go back to that one quick. 1 and 2. 12.
7, 8,
Sorry. Go back.
7, 8.
That's yes, 7.
18,
Thank you.
7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You tricked me.
You did it yesterday as well. You did 2 lots. Go on, hurry up. I'm timing you though.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1.
You have to pretend you're a Beatles.
But I can't go where we
Buzz.
It's going too
Buzz
fast.
like a bee.
If you go
Buzz.
too fast, my ankle will hurt.
Oh dear, her ankle will hurt. She'll be hoppling along now, won't she?
One, two, fast. Hop.
Oh, Henry's done it where you have to hop now and then.
No.
Right, go on, Tails.
Hey! Say! Wait! Hey! Shut!
Henry got this right today. Come on.
Me!
No.
You!
No. Henry, tell her.
Me!
M and
You! Me!
ma. My.
You!
No. What's the first set? Ow.
Out! Sh!
No.
Sh!
Sorry, what's the first letter?
Her!
Her.
You! Was!
Sorry, what's the word?
Don't know.
What's a bit?
T.
T is the sound like you're doing. What's the end bit?
I don't know.
A.
A.
So what's the word?
Don't know.
A.
Fish.
You know that one.
Oh. Janet's cooking and
It's what? Sorry. It's good. Describe it to me in 5 words.
It's got sugar on.
Yeah.
It is soft.
It's soft. What does it taste of?
Chocolate.
Yeah.
It tastes soft biscuits.
What shape was it before you started nibbling? It was a circle shape. And was it thin or thick?
Thin and little.
And is it just? Describe the cookie to me.
Nice one.
Good. What shape is it?
A bit.
What shape is it? Circle. What colour is it?
Brown.
What does it taste of? Chocolate.
And is it?
Big.
Is it just big?
Very big.
Very big.
You want more, baby.
What are you having for your snack?
And this, it's like a corn ice cream, but it's not ice cream, it's squishy.
Do you know what it is?
No.
Marshmallow.
Marshmallow.
Is it really tasty? What can I hear? Crunching.
And it tastes like strawberry.
Yeah?
And it has some strawberry inside it.
Yum. Enjoy.
And it's squishy and it has sprinkles on it. And it has a corn.
Nice. It's going in your belly. It's not really working. Can we see?
Get it on. Now shuff it.
Oh dear, this is going to end in disaster.
What?
She was. Go. Pedal.
Mom, am I okay?
You cut it and you're okay.
Yep. When I die, too.
What are you making, Henry?
But we were building Henry's boat. I've done this too. I'm going to show you mine. Just face it, not as clean as Henry's. Just a small bamboo boat.
That's good. And what have you used?
Toilet rolling tape.
Very
So I've cut up the toilet roll, put it down in order, and then I taped it all together. You don't put connect mine. Oh, we can connect.
Connect it to.
Yeah.
That's a very big word for you, Henry. Connect.
No.
Connect it to your boat.
No. Here. Ooh, cool.
Will it make it extra cool?
Mom, I wish I could actually test if it actually floats.
It might be a bit big by the time. I don't even know if it might fit in the bath. It might be that big by the end of the day.
No, actually, Henry, we're going to see mine float. Henry, Henry, about it goes in the here. No. Henry, remember it's mine.
You need to get all your boats stuck together, handsome.
Yep.
Go on then.
I'm doing my boat now, so Henry's cutting it up for me because I can't do it because my hands hurt too much. It's a bit too hard for me, so Henry's doing it, but you'll come back when he's did it, okay? Bye.
Pedal fast.
Pedal, pedal.